What's up, everybody? Bama here for another glorious day of fishing in the wintertime in Alabama. We are in the Walmart parking lot. Gonna go in, grab some worms and maybe a rattle trap or two. We'll just have to get into it and see what we can find inside. All right, first cast of the day. No backlash. I thought that would be good something. Hey, buddy. They're definitely jumping.
Over there, got some trees.
Yeah.
It's possible you will.
Whew. As we walked halfway around the lake, it was like a good spot to throw something right into a damn tree, I swear to God. I am the king of the limb brims. Man, they never told me this camera was gonna kill my back. Surely something's using the pylons of structure. Crappie, brim, bass, catfish, something. Just fishing like a dog and not catching anything gets old. It's like I'm about to hit 40 and I gotta go to the doctor and get pre-screened for everything. Because my father died of cancer. I just want one. That's all I want. I just want one fish. It ain't gotta be huge either.
Hits it, and then it's down. All I know is it's swimming through the water and just hitting the line.
Probably cleaned you off by now.
Probably.
Fuck you, buddy.
Windy conditions expected through Monday.
A new station alert has arrived.
I wonder what that could be.
Huh?
So I wonder what that could be. Windy conditions expected through Monday.
Oh, Man, how did you know? You're psychic.
I got an app that tells me that, and a wife.
Earlier, it was saying 30 plus mile an hour wind.
Damn. You looked at the radar.
A little while ago. I haven't looked at it. Hey, I can connect to your Bama Hero 8 Black.
Just asking if you want to?
Yeah.
But you don't have the app. I've still got plenty of time. So how many likes in this video for me to spend $2,000 on a good kayak?
Do what?
How many likes in this video for me to spend $2,000 on a good kayak? I have 100 subscribers. 20 to 50 likes would be normal at best. Especially not catching a fucking fish. So spit out a number. She's scared, bro. Well, that's going to do it for us out here at Lake Purdy today. We didn't have any luck whatsoever. Lost about $30 worth of bait. Hey, it's all good though. We'll be back in a few days with a 6-cent sack review, as well as a surprise, a tungsten weight review, believe it or not. You heard the lady. 5,000 likes on this video, which is unheard of for me. I'm going to go buy us a $2,000 kayak. Boing! Oh. Good evening, everybody. Bama here. Just wanted to touch base with you. Today was friggin' brutal, man. 5.5 hours on the water. Only left because nothing bit for 5.5 hours, and major storms were moving in. You know, sitting down to edit here, I realized, I didn't do a whole lot of, explaining who I am, where I've been, where I'm going. Basically, I have been a streamer for a little over 3 years now. I was on Mixer's platform. I was a partner for 1.5 years, almost 2 years before they shut down. Moved over to Twitch, where we still do our Dungeons and Dragons, Tuesdays, Saturdays, and Sunday nights. I am branching out into fishing YouTube. So, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe button, like, comment down below, what type of videos you want to see. You want to see kayaks, you want to continue to see bank fishing, you want to bass fishing, crappie fishing, cat fishing. You tell me what you want to see us target, how you want to see us go about it. If you prefer lakes, ponds, rivers, just reach out to me. You can hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, everywhere at Bamashucks, BAMASHOCKZ will be linked down below. Yeah, drop me a line. Hey, if you're in Birmingham, hit me up. Maybe we'll hit the water sometime. Maybe you got a honey hole you want to share with the Shock Squad. Hey, that'd be great. Hey, outside of that, hey, y'all have a good night. And like I said a moment ago, we will be doing a review on the 6 Cents Premier Sack. And I'll kind of, compare that a little bit to the MTB Elite Pro that I've been receiving for the past 3 or 4 months. And also going to do a review video on some different tungstens. I ordered a bunch of different 1/8 ounce worm weights from Dick's, Academy, and our newest, we'll call it a partnership, staff. I don't know what we want to call it. Our newest relationship with Titan Tungsten out of Locust Fork, Alabama. Looking forward to getting into all of that either this week or next when everything comes in the mail. Until then, let's go fishing.